Yo guys, today I am going to play Cabin Crew Simulator. If you want to go in my private server, comment and I will add you to the private server. I'm only going to do a small plane, aka the ERJ-145.
My username is very fun too. Let's go!
Let's go fast!
Okay, so now we are on the plane.
Shout out to Sceniac for making Falls Air.
Quick view of the plane.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard. Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Flight 8417 to Honolulu. Please take your assigned seat and place small items completely underneath the seat in front of you and larger items in the overhead bins. If you need assistance, a flight attendant will be happy to help.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
That was not a button landing!
Yay, money.
If you want to see me play Rivals, hit the like and sub button.